Here are some of the reasons why I use this Zheng Shui lotion that's unscented. Having muscle aches from working out, back pains, joint pains, shoulder pains, bruises from work, arthritis pains, sprains, and pains from being athletic, I definitely needed something that would help relieve the aches and pains. This was given to me by a martial arts friend. Just rub it in for about 1 or 2 minutes. It doesn't have a bad odor, and a little bit goes a long way. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.